Hey, Babak. Donnie asked me to send that ransomware program you wrote to the Big Balls kid. I was wondering if you could do it for me.
Oh, what's in it for me?
I'll do that big romance scam that you haven't gotten started yet. I love doing those.
I was gonna ask Carolina to do that.
Why would you ask me to help you with a romance scam? What is it about me that makes you think I'd be so good at bilking men out of money? No, I'm waiting. I really want to know.
I was just thinking that.
I'm getting really tired of men always assuming I'm like the romance scam queen. Do you think I send them my real picture? Do you think that just because I'm pretty, I love stealing money from desperate men?
I'm not desperate. I assumed.
Don't assume anything about me. Sure, I love stealing. And sure, I love lying and making people feel important before I pull the rug out from under them and ruin their entire lives. And sure, I have used the lucky fact that I am attractive to my advantage sometimes.
Hey, Carolina.
Hey, boss. Bye, Vig. Forever.
Jesus.
You idiots think all there is to a romance scam is sending pictures and leading people on. Well, it is a complex web of messages and building trust. Oh, and timing. You have no
I
time.
have timing.
I am not some doll for you to wave around in front of your thirsty online stalkers. Ask me because of my technical proficiency, because of my social engineering skills, because of my sparkling wit, because of my charming personality. Not because you think I'm pretty. It's pathetic. Ayúdame, Dios, no puedo.
It's in Spanish.
What?
The scam, it's in Spanish.
Oh. I see.
And it's targeting women over 65.
That is something I could help with, yes.
Sorry for the mix-up. Also, I don't think you're pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, you not my type. Not in this lifetime. Let's go get coffee.
Yeah.
Like they don't think you're...
I just don't believe it.